You see, this is an absolutely free image and this is an absolutely free download button. Now all you have to do is download this image by clicking this button and you can get paid with this worldwide platform again and again. There is actually no limit, and yes, it works all over the world. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So, let this step-by-step tutorial begin right here. This is an absolutely free app which we will be using to download those images and make money. The website in question is Corello. This is a platform where you can find dozens of different templates which you can customize with one click of a button. You have Instagram photos, you have Square video posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, posters, thumbnails, logos, and almost all the types of graphic designs. And you can customize them as you prefer. And so in this video, I will show you one specific feature of this platform which you can combine with an additional website in order to get paid again and again per each of those images you download from Corello.com. Have you visited and used the featured websites in this video? If yes, share with us your experiences in the comment section down below. Now, since this is a strategy that we never talked about earlier on this channel, it's a brand new fresh strategy to make money online, I want you to pay close attention to every second of this video if you really want to set this up properly and if you really want to make money from this strategy. So first of all, let me share with you a couple of examples. So here we have all of these features, templates, which you can use. Now, let me show you how simple it is to use Corello.com. All we would have to do is select some of these templates and you can customize it however you like. You can change the background, you can add new colors, you can add new text, you can change this text just by double clicking on it. You can customize the letter spacing, you can customize the fonts, sizes, underline it, bold it, italicize it. You can do literally everything with this design. So that's really simple. Now, first of all, in order to be able to download those images from Corello.com, you will need to create an absolutely free account. To do so, just click on sign up right here, and they do have their pricing plan too. But don't worry, you will not have to pay for anything. Now you can of course either connect with Google, Facebook, or Apple account, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires only one click of a button. But unless you don't want to do that, you can just add your email address in this box and create a password. After that, just sign up. Once you have signed up to Corello.com, this is how it's gonna look like. You will be able to browse all of these different templates and you will be able to download any of these free images. Now let me show you how you can actually get paid by downloading those images and which feature of this website we will be using today. Now, in order to get paid, you'll need to sign up to an external platform called Latium. This is a platform that is, according to SimilarWeb, is being visited by over 700,000 people every single month. Sometimes a lot more than that. Sometimes more than 500,000 people come to use this platform. They are mostly coming from countries like Mexico and United States. Latium is a platform where everyday people like me and you come to sell their graphic design services for hundreds of dollars. Of course, you do have some other categories here on the left hand side. But if you focus in graphics and design, that's gonna show that people are providing those services for hundreds of dollars. And I'm gonna show you how Corello.com and downloading those images for absolutely free will make you hundreds of dollars combined with Latium.org. Now, before we come back to Corello to download these free images, you will need to sign up for Latium by clicking on I want to work right here and sign up for absolutely free. You will do that by entering your valid email address in this box, your first name in this box, and then your last name in this box. Create a unique username and password and just hit continue. And once you signed up as a freelancer to Latium.org, you'll be able to browse different projects by selecting the browse feature right here. Once again, they have a lot of different categories and lots of different projects that you can get in. Like we have everything from writing contests, sales and marketing, engineering, and science, and so on and so forth. But one specific feature that we will be focusing on is the graphics and design right here. Once you click on graphics and design, that's going to give you all of these different job offers. They're all worth like hundreds of dollars. And the thing with Latium.org is that there are actually not a lot of people providing those services. There's not a lot of freelancers over here. And you saw that over 100,000 people use this website on a regular monthly basis. So there's a lot of people offering these jobs, but there are not many people completing them. So it's perfect time to jump on this. So here, I want to show you one example of how you can make around $300 from just one single of these job posts. So as you can see, this guy is offering $300. All you literally have to do is to go over to Crello.com where you have all the templates. You go to search bar, you can search for logo design right here, go through all of these and find one you like. Let's say for example, you like this one. But let's say for example, you want to create a logo. So you just need to click on the template, wait until it loads, and now you can customize it as you prefer. So for example, their business name is Investor. I'll just type in Investor and I will type in their slogan right here. We can make it larger or smaller too. You can change everything. I'm gonna set the font size to be a little bit smaller and this may be 12. So I can enlarge this and then now it's gonna look a lot better. So as you can see, this is the logo I have created in like less than 30 seconds. Of course, you should put in a little bit more time and effort into designing those logos. So maybe I'm gonna type in invest right here and I will for instance use this icon and I will delete the previous one and I'll just leave it as it is. I can also make it a little bit smaller and now this is gonna look a lot better. Now all I literally need to do is download this image by clicking on the download button right here, and that way I can potentially earn $300. That's a less than 60 seconds of work. That's all you have to do. I will select the PNG file because in my opinion it looks a lot better. So just wait until it downloads and that's it. That's all you have to do. And now we have potentially earned $300. So now you can just deliver that image to your customer and once again potentially earn hundreds of dollars just from that one single job post under the graphics and design section. And you have all of these different jobs which you can complete and each of them will pay you hundreds of dollars. It's really simple because those designs in Crello.com were basically done for you. You can just change the colors, change the text. You know obviously the customer will give you their brand name. Look at all of the different jobs with those that are listed in Latium.org. You can complete all of them and you can do it again and again every single day for as much as you like. So I highly recommend you to go over to Latium.org, sign up as a freelancer, browse all of these different projects underneath the graphics and design section. Find the ones you like, and once you find those that are paying you hundreds of dollars, just proceed to Crello.com. Find a suitable template, select it and customize it as their needs are. Once you're done, just hit the download button and that's it. You can download as many images as you want to from Crello.com for absolutely free and get paid with Latium.org again and again. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.